Yeah, this is A15. I'm gonna be fixing this phone right now. This is A15. The screen is bad. I will have to put a new screen right here. My eating pad is on. This is a class for you see Samsung A15. The screen is bad. I'm changing a new screen. You need flat object to open the back by putting it at the side of it, applying it, put the pressure like that. If you have alcohol, you put alcohol a little bit, and when it comes up, you see, raise it up a little bit left. Don't be anxious. You put it up, 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 up. You see, up, 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 up. You continue up, 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 up. Do not rush. Up, 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 up. Right? The back is out. You see that? Keep this one side, and now you go to the screws. You take out all the screws. You disconnect this with this type of tools. The next thing is to remove the SIM tray. So next thing, to open from here. You see, not inside here, this place. You see that? You see? Now see, you go down a little bit and you push down. You see, this is easy peasy. Now when you get to the edge, you turn. You see, it popped up, and you can see me again. You see, like this. When you get to the edge, you be careful, push it up. Nothing is hard or stressful to be put inside. You see, now this is out. You can take this out. Now you put this aside. Next thing, you take out one black screw here. You put it here. You take another one black screw here. Look for it, look for it. Where's the black screws? Right here. You put it down. So the next thing is to disconnect only this flex. This one, only this one. When you disconnect this one, you apply alcohol on top of it, the one on staying. You look for this sharp object, like a sharp blade, to disconnect this flex from the board. You see? It's disconnected. Now you disconnect the battery. So take out the charging ports. Always remember, either red or blue antenna wire, which one is at the top. And now you raise it up. Now this is a complete board, flex, and the charging port. Keep this aside. The next thing is to grab your new screen. When you have your, take out all the blues, dust cover. One, take out this one, Take out this one. Take out this one. Take out this one. And take out this one. Now you have the same screen beside each other. First inspect, what do you have inside? I have this is already in, I have this is already in. So what I do not have inside is the battery and this one. So to make it easy, apply this alcohol on the vibrator. This is the vibrator. And use this sharp object to raise the vibrator up a little bit. It's out. Now you apply it right here. Place it where it's coming from to the new screen. The same place. Locate it and apply it. Put the pressure, it's staying there. Now next thing is the battery. The battery, apply alcohol to the right, to the bottom, to the left side, to the top part of it, right? And wait a few minutes for the alcohol to go inside. You don't put alcohol and remove immediately. You don't have to stress yourself. Next thing is try to remove the battery. Always remove the battery from the blue side. Try to lift it up from the blue side. So like this. You try one time, you relax. You can flip your blade again. You try the second time, you relax. You move to the bottom. You see, that just popped up one time. You try the other side. You see, you relax. Yes, you see, the battery is coming up. If you have this, you can just use it to raise it up. It's not good to use a tools, but you can use a plastic tools. Now the battery is out. Now grab this and pull it up. The battery is out. You see? Now let's try to transfer the battery inside this. The battery is gonna need a glue because the case, the new screen is not coming with the glue. So find a little glue. You apply a little glue on the battery. So this is a double-sided tape. I'm gonna use this double-sided tape for my glue. You see, one line is okay. Take this out and put this right here. Now it's sealed. Transfer the board. Put the top and put the bottom. If I were you, the first thing I'm gonna do is to put the black screw. The first black screw, I'll put it to the bottom to secure the bottom side, and the second black screw to secure the top part. Secure the upper part with the screw. Now after that, I'm gonna lay this antenna wire from the bottom and use my hand to place them in the right position so that they can lay properly. Do not rush. So after that, you see this flex, you're not gonna sit this flex down. Now you now clip the top one. If you did not sit it properly, it's not gonna clip. The next thing is to clip the battery. After that, you grab the frame. You start from the bottom, from the charging port area. You clip, make sure the charging port is good. You go to the left, go to the power button and check if the power button is springing. Press that side, press the other side, and next is clip the power flex. And after the power flex, you put all the screws back to the back. Aligned, and now it's time to close the back. When I close the back, I start from the camera because the camera has a hook, you see, and now you go to the other side. So now it's time for the true moment. You put your SIM card and try to turn it on. Let's see what we have done. Wow. In a nutshell, the phone is on. This is Samsung A15 screen replacement. I think it took me 17 minutes to get this done and it's ready. This video will be used for educational purpose. Thank you.